Welcome to the Airs and Xander zone. Today we are going to make Elephant Toothpaste. The ingredients are an empty water bottle, peroxide, dry yeast, warm water, liquid dish, soap, food coloring, small cup, and funnel.
Safety first.
Let's get started. Safety first.
Oh my God, move it!
No! My goodness! I really wanted to touch.
Ow!
Yeah! Goodness, this big!
Move it!
No!
Oh my goodness!
I really want to touch
Ow!
What's going on?
Ow.
This is big.
I just no.
Xander's eyes is gonna get blue. You do not want to touch the form. There might be peroxide which could irritate skin and eyes.
So what happened? So what do y'all think happened?
It flew up because of the peroxide. Maybe.
Yeah.
Because the peroxide made the pressure
Jesus,
go
that
up.
was wrong. Mom, dang it.
Please like our video and subscribe or share our video. Thank you for watching. Yeah.
Jesus, just dog on me.
Oh, it's on the counter. It's going on his pants.